Hi everyone, today I want to show you how to do the Seagull string figure. This one is an intermediate string figure and is going to require a medium loop of string. And to do this one we just want to place the string across our palms and then pick up the palm strings with our index fingers. And then with those index fingers we just want to go over all the strings away from us and then back underneath and into the thumb loops. Push down the near thumb string and rotate our palms forwards and collect it back onto the index fingers. And I'll just show you that maneuver again. And now when we have a shape like this we can drop the thumb loops and then the near lower index strings here we want to push down with our thumbs and collect the far little finger string down here at the bottom. We're going to push these down underneath, collect the far little finger strings and then bring them back. Then if we locate this upper index string that's close to us, we just want to push that down with our thumbs, and when we do that we will drop the thumb loop that we already have. So we're going to push this one down and the thumb loop that's on our thumbs will drop off. Now we just want to locate the near little finger strings that run diagonally through here. We want to collect them from above with our thumbs. Pull that through this loop. So these diagonal strings here. From above, pull them through. Should end up with the shape something like that. And then this straight string here, which is the loop that we just dropped, we want to pick back up. So rotate the thumbs forwards and then pick them up again through that loop. And then if we drop the index strings we should get the finished figure. Pull it tight. And there is the seagull figure.